Hi, I'm Eugenie from Simple Woodworking with Eugenie. Today I'm going to show you how to make this lovely daisy shelf. I hand painted it. It's carved. It's very simple to do. Anyway, you can buy the plan if you want to make it exactly like the plan. You can buy the plan on Eugenie Wood Plans on Etsy. And if not, you can just watch me and wing it. Okay, so first, I used the template from my plan and I cut out this piece. This is the back piece. And then I carved a daisy. I have another video that shows you how to carve a daisy if you want to see that. Okay, so I cut out this piece. Then I cut out my two side pieces, which there's templates for. And then this is the top. And I've routed along here. I used my little decorative router and I routed the edges. So now we're going to put the shelf together. I'm going to use my glue, screw, and cap method, which is a very simple method of woodworking. It's done with a countersinking drill bit number 8 and a Robertson number 8. So I'm using 1 1/4 inch screws. You would need a 1x7, about 4 feet to make the shelf, 5 feet to make the shelf. You need the back piece, these two pieces, and this. Okay, so first, since I've cut out and carved this, I'm gonna go like this and like this. Okay, the countersinking drill bit is gonna make a hole for the screw at the same time so you don't split the wood. So first I'm gonna put a hole here and here, like make it about 1.5 inches apart. All right. Okay, now I'm going to put a bit of glue. Well, I think I should put it on this piece. All right. See, I've made 2 holes right about in the middle. Okay, and the countersinking drill bit is going to keep it from splitting the wood. So I'm going to put this down, put this there. All right, make sure that's nice and flat. Use 2 1 1/4 inch wood screws. Okay, now I'm going to do the other side the same way. This shelf plan, it comes with 2 other plans. So you get 3 plans for the price of 1. I think it's Daisy. I don't remember what the other 2 are. Okay. Two more screws. Okay. The next step is I've made these little dowels. I have another video that shows you how to make the dowels, and you can check that out if you want to. It's little pieces of 5/16 inch dowel. I'm going to roll them in glue. And I'm going to put them in here. Tap it in. I'll do the other side. Okay, I notice I have a little excess glue slipping out here. I'm going to wipe this off. You want to wipe the glue off before it dries because it'll ruin your finish. The glue will not stain. All right, so now I'm going to sand it, because you have to sand it before you put the shelf on or you won't be able to sand down the pegs the right way. So now that this is all nice and smooth, we're going to add it to the top. So I'm going to move this. Okay, so I'm going to go like this. All right, make sure that they're even on both sides. Yep. All right. Now I'm going to put one screw from the top into about halfway through here. Then I'll put one in the middle, and then I'll put one here. So it's going to look like this. Like this. Now I'm gonna okay. Now I'm going to cap these 3 caps. Roll them in glue. All right, it's going to go in here. And then I'm going to put this in here. Okay, with the magic of video, I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so now we've put the shelf together. It's all nicely sanded. It's pretty much finished. The only thing left is the way we're going to hang it on the wall. And so for that, I'm using a 7/16 spade drill. And I have the 7/16 caps. These caps usually come in 2 sizes. So there's 1/2 inch and 7/16. That's the size I have. So that's what I'm going to use. All right, I marked my hole. You're going to make sure that you don't hit the screws that you put in here. So go farther enough in. All right, and I'm just going to make a cap hole. All right, be careful you don't push all the way through or make it too thin. Just go in about like this 1/4 inch. Enough so that you can have room to put the cap. So then I'm going to go like this. There we go. Now I'm going to take this out. I'm going to put back my drill bit. All right, take it off the table, and I'm going to... The reason I'm doing this is that it makes a little bit of room for the head of the screw. So I'm going to go like this. There we go. Now, after the shelf was hung up, you can put the little caps in. And there you go. You've made a nice daisy shelf. And so this is what it looks like when it's finished. This one's a little bigger, but it's the same idea. All right. Well, thank you for joining me. Have a nice day.